baby, turn up, Cinema.
Frances and Matilda from Ponte Vedra!
Yo, Nick here. We are here today at the College City with the first ever Miss Universe. I don't know what's going on. Yeah. Yo, what is up, guys? Nick here, my friends, and we are here today at SM Bacolod, and this is the first time of Miss Universe being held here in SM Bacolod. What's your favorite Miss Universe? Who is your favorite Miss Universe? Nakailota, let's go. Oh, why Nakailota, bro? Because first of all, it's beautiful and beautiful. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, together with KDT, let us welcome on stage the official candidates to Miss Universe Philippines Negros 2024.
Don't need a seminar. Here we go. We taking chances. Time to answer. Yes, I'm here. Here we go, listen. We taking chances. Time to answer. Only the answer. Mes on me. Can't control my body. If you think you can go with me, baby, turn up. Cinema. What's up? Only to lose is special, baby. What's up? That's all what's up. Only to lose is special, baby. Here we go, listen. We taking chances.
Let's go.
Frances and Matilda from Ponte Vedra! Will be made by us, Victoria!
We taking chances. Time to answer.
Ayan po, Malagagalihan City, Costa Go with me! Agriculture is the backbone of our economy, and I think it's time for us to give back to our farmers who have long sustained us because we are long overdue. And given this chance, I would like to talk about social issues to promote my advocacy in Hikagami for the farmers, because I want to ensure that no farmers is left behind and no farmers goes to waste. It's time for us to invest in our farmers, to invest in legislations and reforms, because each grain of rice is as important as each rock of building in our society. Thank you.
Thank you very much, City Hall of Carla.
Oleh ka boy! Oleh ka boy!